Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce unused subscriptions with ManageMySubs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the ManageMySubs website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Click on the Subscriptions tab in the main menu. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions. Review each subscription carefully. Identify any subscriptions that you no longer need or use. Click on the subscription you wish to manage. This will open up detailed information about that subscription. Look for the option to cancel or pause the subscription. Select your preferred action. If canceling, follow the prompts to confirm your decision. If pausing, choose how long you want to pause the subscription. Repeat this process for each subscription you want to manage. Once finished, return to your dashboard. Take a moment to reflect on your remaining subscriptions. Consider setting reminders for future reviews of your subscriptions. This can help you maintain control over your expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.